Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Mathematics Schoolio. This is video 9 and 10 amazing Jeeadvance PYQ series, and I will be sharing here a passage from Jeeadvance 2007 paper 2, that is 3 questions. I will be solving it in 2 ways. Both methods are easy, but the purpose of series is to share some ideas through questions that will motivate you to search similar approaches for some other questions in some other topic. Obviously, once again, by connecting questions to fundamental concepts. It's not like solving questions through shortcut, but to solve questions through some smart approaches. So let's begin. So here is the question which says that let A1, G1, H1 denote the arithmetic, geometric, and harmonic mean respectively of two distinct positive numbers. For n greater than or equals to 2, let an minus 1 and hn minus 1 are the arithmetic, geometric, and harmonic means as an, gn, and hn. So for these two numbers, we have the arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean as an, gn, hn as given in the question. Which one of the following statement is correct? Now, similar 3 kind of statements are given here. One is for the geometric means, another one for arithmetic means, and the third one is for the harmonic mean. So first of all, I'm going to share the method in which I will be comparing AM, GM, HN like this. So I'm just assuming that let the two positive numbers be A and B. Let these be two positive numbers. If these are two positive numbers, then first of all, obviously A1 is going to be A plus B by 2. Coming to G1, it is going to be root over AB. And coming to H1, it is going to be 2AB upon A plus B. The thing to be noticed, and obviously the formula also that we know, is for any number, any two positive real numbers, geometric mean ka square is equals to the product of harmonic mean and arithmetic mean. So this is what we have written over here. So fine, I have A1, I have G1, I have H1. Now further they are saying that An, Hn, Gn are the arithmetic, harmonic, and geometric mean of An minus 1 and Hn minus 1. So that's why I'm also writing the value of An. What should I write for An? An is going to be the arithmetic mean of An minus 1 plus Hn minus 1 upon 2. So I have written the geometric. Now I'm going to write the geometric mean, which will be root over An minus 1 Hn minus 1. Similarly, coming to Hn, what is going to be Hn? So it is the harmonic mean of An minus 1 and Hn minus 1. That's why we are going to write down the answer or the harmonic mean like this. Fine, so I have the general formula for An, Gn, Hn. What I have to do in the question is I just have to compare arithmetic means among themselves. All the geometric means I have to compare, and I have to find out an ordered relation for Hn as well. So what could be the best possible way? Let's start with, first of all, Gn. I'm going to start with Gn. You can start with anyone. It's not like Gn say we have to start. हम किसी से भी start कर सकते हैं. So I started with Gn. How we are going to solve this? Gn is nothing but root over An minus 1, Hn minus 1. But we know that An minus 1 and Hn minus 1 are the arithmetic and harmonic mean of An minus 2, Hn minus 2. And further, for these two numbers, we also have the geometric mean as Gn minus 1 as given in the question. So that's why now I can say that because geometric mean of these two numbers is Gn minus 1 and their arithmetic mean is An minus 1, harmonic mean is Hn minus 1. That is why the product of arithmetic and harmonic mean is going to help me in identifying the geometric mean. This formula, I'm using this formula over here. So I just noticed that Gn turns out to be equals to Gn minus 1. I have created a general relation for Gn. That's why I can say that whether you're talking about G1 or you're talking about G2 or you're talking about G3 or you are talking about Gn, all of them are going to have the same value. Now which value? Obviously equals to root AB. So we can go for the first part of the question and can select the answer. So we can say that For this question, the answer turns out to be all geometric means are equal. So C option is the answer. Now let us go for question number 62. That is second question in which they are comparing the arithmetic means. How we are going to handle it? Again, it's very simple. What you do, you just start comparing an and an minus 1. How we are going to compare it? I'm just taking the difference of 2. If the difference turns out to be positive or negative, or it turns out to be 0, we will be able to identify the correct ordered relation among these arithmetic means. So I started with an minus 1. An, I'm going to keep this value over here. So it turns out to be an minus 1 plus hn minus 1 upon 2 minus an minus 1, which after taking the LCM and solving gives me hn minus 1 minus an minus 1. But we know that for any two positive real numbers, their arithmetic mean and harmonic mean and geometric mean also follow some ordered relation. We know that arithmetic mean is always greater than or equals to geometric mean is always greater than or equals to harmonic mean. Using this concept, I can definitely say that here right now, harmonic mean is less than arithmetic mean. That's why the symbol or the sign that we will be getting here is going to be negative. We are getting this relation for an minus 1, or I can interpret from here that an will always be less than an minus 1. So whatever n you are keeping here, you will be able to get to this relation. So from here I can now say that let's start with a1 is going to be greater than a2, going to be greater than a3, and so on. So let us go back to the question and let's see what are the options they have provided. What we have calculated is a1 greater than a2 greater than a3 and so on. So accordingly, option number A is going to be the answer for this question. Coming to the third part of the passage, similar question but now for the harmonic mean. How we are going to solve it for the harmonic mean? I'll apply the similar approach here, the approach that I used for arithmetic mean. So let us go ahead and solve it for the harmonic mean. Again, I started with hn minus 1. What is hn? So hn value I'm keeping here to an minus 1, hn minus 1 upon an minus 1 plus hn minus 1 minus hn minus 1. Taking the LCM, so LCM is going to be an minus 1 plus hn minus 1. Coming to the numerator, you can see that it's going to be an minus 1, hn minus 1, and then after that, what else we are getting is hn minus 1 ka square. Let us take this hn minus 1 common. We will be left out with an minus 1 minus hn minus 1. Coming to denominator, an minus 1 plus hn minus 1. Because we are talking about positive real numbers, their arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean, everything is going to be positive. So I can say hn minus 1 is going to be positive. Further, arithmetic mean is greater than the harmonic mean. That's why this expression is also going to be positive. Denominator is already a positive quantity. So the whole quantity is going to be greater than 0. Now because hn minus 1 turns out to be greater than 0, now I can say that hn is going to be greater than hn minus 1. So ultimately what we can interpret from here regarding h1, h2, h3, h4 and so on, we can see that h1 is going to be less than h2. From here I am interpreting this. h2 is less than h3, h3 is less than h4 and so on. So let us go back to the question and see what options they have provided us and select the proper option. So what we are getting here is h1 less than h2 less than h3 and so on. So accordingly, option number B is going to be the answer for the question. So here is method 1 and I hope it's a simple method. All of you are able to understand what we are doing here. Simply, I'm just using the simple concepts of arithmetic mean and geometric mean and harmonic mean for positive real numbers and got my answer. So although this method is simple, but still I'm going to share with you another method which is definitely going to help us reduce this calculation part. If you look at the question, there are 3 parts. So when you look at the calculation, it's nothing over here. In method 1 also the calculation is nothing. But still I'm saying that now I'm going to reduce the calculation part further. So let us go to method number 2 and let's see what is that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it with a very basic concept of tracing the numbers on number line. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to trace a number line. So number line I'm tracing here. Ye raha number line. Just a moment. So here is the number line. Okay, what next? What next is I'm going to trace the 2 numbers. Let this be A positive real numbers and B. According to the number line, it's clear that I am taking A less than B. ठीक है. What next? Now I'm going to mark their arithmetic mean and harmonic mean. Geometric mean for the time being I'm not taking that. Geometric mean later on we will trace. ठीक है. अभी start करते हैं arithmetic mean से. So I started with arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? It is going to lie exactly in the middle of A and B. This is A1. Regarding harmonic mean, it is going to be less than A1. Less than A1 means somewhere to the left of A1 on the number line. So this is H1. Now, for the second round of calculation, you have to take A1, H1 as the positive numbers, and then you have to find out its arithmetic mean, harmonic mean, geometric mean. So I said, okay, for the next round, now I have the numbers as A1 and H1. That's why its arithmetic mean is going to be exactly in the middle of A1 and H1. A1 plus H1 by 2. So I'm writing it A2. Regarding H2, so harmonic mean is going to lie between the numbers A1 and H1, and it will obviously be less than the arithmetic mean A2. So marking H2 somewhere over here. This is H2. Now I'm going to the third round of calculation part. A2, H2 becomes the new set of numbers whose arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean will be A3, G3, H3. Let us mark it. So arithmetic mean for A2 and H2 is going to be A3, which is going to lie exactly in the middle of A2 and H2. Now coming to the harmonic mean, just like the previous 2 calculation parts or previous 2 parts, here also H3 is going to be less than A3. And I'm marking it somewhere here. This is H3. That's it. Now, because I have marked the positions of H1, H2, H3, A1, A2, A3 on the number line, I can compare them directly. First of all, I'm going to compare A1, A2, A3 and so on. So let us compare A1, A2, A3 and so on. Comparing it on the number line, you can see that A1 is on the rightmost portion. That is why A1 will be greater than A2, will be greater than A3 and so on. Let us compare the harmonic means. So when you see H1, it is on the leftmost portion of the number line when you compare with the other harmonic means. So H1 is less than H2, is less than H3 and so on. Coming to the geometric mean, till now we have not considered geometric mean. We have not traced it here. Doesn't matter. Calculating G1 is root over AB. Root over AB, we also know that this is also equals to root over A1 H1 because of the property of geometric mean, harmonic mean and arithmetic mean. But root over A1 H1 means you are calculating the geometric mean of A1 and H1, which says that according to question, it must be represented by G2. What we are getting is G1 is equals to G2. Now G1 is equals to G2, so similarly G3 can also be calculated. What we are getting here is G1 is equals to G2 is equals to G3 and so on. All the geometric means are also equal. So when you have all the geometric means also equal, arithmetic mean and harmonic mean also we have calculated their ordered relation. So now we can go back and check the options. So for the first part of the question, now you can see that yes, we are getting option number C. For the second part of the question, you can notice that yes, we are getting the option number A. And for the next part, or you can say the last part of the question, the answer turns out to be option number B. Fine. So now you can go through both these methods and then you can select the method you want to use. Obviously, I will be selecting the second option, the method number 2, where I don't have to go even for the small calculation part. I just traced everything on the number line and got my answer. Well, that's all for today, folks. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up to the video and share and subscribe our channel. Till next video, signing off. Bye-bye.